Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Success Academy. Now, a petition has been filed in Karnataka High Court seeking cancellation of SSLC exams in Karnataka state. The exams are scheduled to be conducted on July 19 and 22. The petition is filed by SV Singregoda, states that due to the pandemic situation, conducting the exam offline is not feasible and hence it needs to be cancelled immediately. The plea further stated that in rural areas of state there is no facility to conduct classes online. Hence, students from these areas have not been able to attend a single online class. So they have not studied for understand the concept of SSLC. So they cannot attend the SSLC exam. The Karnataka government has already cancelled the class 12th exam, PUC exams. However, the SSLC exams will be conducted as their student did not appear for exams in 2020, means in 9th standard they have not written the exam. The petition stated that for SSLC students, a different solution to prepare the result to be found instead of taking the written exams. Instead of 9th marks, they should be found another way to give the result of SSLC. It sought directed to the board to adopt similar methods that other boards have been taken to prepare the result. Like in other states, exams have been cancelled, they have given the result. Like that only our Karnataka state has to be given. The petition states, on July 19, SSLC exams will be held for mathematics, science, social science from 10:30 to 1:30, and while July 22, the language exams will be conducted. Both exams will be held in multiple choice question based. SSLC admit card have also been released. The students can collect from school. Total around 8,76,000 students are going to write SSLC exam this year. So government has increased the centers from 48,000 to 73,000 and planning to conduct a preparatory exam before annual exam. So let's see what further will happen. Further updates I will give on my YouTube channel. Don't waste your time till the decision will made if exams will be there or not. You should study. At the present situation, hopes for cancellation of exams are less. So instead of wasting your time, you can take the time for practice of SSLC MCQs. You can search in YouTube. In my channel also there are many live sessions and you can practice the textbook exercise question and all. So all the best, study well. For more updates, subscribe to my YouTube channel Success Academy. Share this video with your friends. Thank you.